Making the parts may be the same, whether it's for a defense end use and for an automotive, but again, that contract has many, many clauses that may have costs associated with them to our company.
So what's an example of a clause?
Well, one obvious difference are packaging requirements. If you're bidding on these contracts, they don't want them just in a box and shipped to the depot. They have to be sometimes individually bagged, and some of these bags are expensive, protected bags, and they have RFID enabled labels and barcodes, and so that's an obvious one. Cybersecurity is another. We're required to have certain cybersecurity measures in place in order to do these, to bid on these contracts. There's a tremendous cost with that.